So we are not covering the US elections in New York or Washington. We are in Mohali, ATS Casa Aspana, 26th floor. So I'm sure if I don't mention the location, you will literally feel we are covering the US election. We have a very fabulous offer, especially for the kids and youngsters in your family. We are offering iPhone 12 with every booking in ATS Casa Aspana.
My God, that's amazing. So I think I would want to urge people that if you're booking through Family Nest Real Estate, so you're definitely going to get the iPhone. ATS Casa Aspana is designed by the acclaimed architect Hafiz Contractor. Design amidst the Mediterranean garden, discover the Spanish living style here at ATS Casa Aspana, Mohali.
If we talk about green area, the size of green area is approximately 4.5 acres. Basically, our green area is dedicated to different kind of age groups. Like we have walkways for elderly peoples to walk comfortably. Then we have sit-outs which are designed according to the age groups. Like for senior people, we have a higher benches. For kids, we have different kind of dramatic benches. And then we have dedicated amphitheater, open air amphitheater, which can easily accommodate any community functions. Like usually Lodi was celebrated here, or any 15th August, Republic Day, Independence Day can be easily celebrated here. Then we have a kids play area which has different kind of swings, and then very important, we have a 360-degree camera as well in between green areas. There are two 360-degree cameras. Whosoever is coming, going, playing is regularly watched upon, so that no mishappening should happen here. So that's all about our green area.
Let us hear from our experts about the ATS living.
I am in Mohali, very much in Mohali, in ATS Casa Aspana, and we are at the 26th floor with the go-to guy in ATS, Mr. Rahul Walia.
So in total we have 22 penthouses in this project. So out of 22, 10 are of 7,000 square feet and 12 penthouses are of 5,000 square feet. So both are duplex with private pool and terrace, and all have 4-bedroom accommodation.
So I think there is a great chance of a child getting lost in 7,000 square feet of
Definitely.
penthouse. So we have to, you have to get a child care specialist also if you want to live in a 7,000 square feet.
Definitely.
Because I think child will easily get lost in such a big space.
That's huge.
We have a children club and a cycling club also coming up in ATS.
Right.
So what kind of profile of customers do you have in your project, so that people are who are wishing to be a part of ATS family, they have a fair idea what kind of people are already living here?
There are only like-minded people here with 3-bedroom apartment or a 4-bedroom apartment. So majorly our clientele is from defense. So 25% of the clientele belongs to Air Force, Army, or maybe Navy.
Okay.
And then as the ticket size is good, so 15-20% are from Merchant Navy. And then as this is, the location is very good, this is close to Chandigarh.
Yeah.
So we have lot of doctors also from PGI, from Max Hospital, from Fortis Hospital. Then we have lot of bureaucrats as well, CEOs of top companies, maybe banking financial institutes also.
Okay.
As we are, one of the closest project to Chandigarh and the proximity is very good. So we have lot of clients which are doctors, majorly HODs from PGI, then few from Max and few from Fortis as well, and from nearby another hospitals also.
So, all in nutshell, we can say that we have a very eclectic mix of residents staying in Casa Hispana. We have good professionals from all sectors, and we have a good ambience, good lifestyle for all the residents. We have the clubhouse, we have the right kind of greenery you can see very much from here.
If you're interested in any of the ATS projects in Chandigarh Tri-City, then call us at the number flashing on the video. Book your visit with Family Nest experts. We also provide pick and drop facility from our office. Stay tuned to Family Nest YouTube channel for property updates. We uncomplicate property buying in and around Chandigarh.